What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the homestead. Welcome back. Well, it's Friday, so it's time for another fired up Friday. Come on with it. It's been about 2 weeks since we've done a cooking show here on this channel. Hurricanes and elections and everything kind of put me behind schedule. I do 95% of my cooking outside, so cooking outside with a hurricane coming with all the weather made it a little bit difficult. But we're back. And we got a nice one to do today. Something I've never tried before, but I want to try. And I figured, might as well try it with you guys and take you along, and we'll find out together how it turns out. We are going to do a pork loin smoked inside of a pineapple. As you can see, I got 2 pineapples here. I got an Applewood smoked bacon Smithfield pork loin here. I'm going to cut that in 2 and put half in each of the pineapples, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm also going to smoke it with Applewood. So a little fruit-based dinner here tonight. I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. Be honest with you, I've never even cored a pineapple before, not at all. So it's all new to me. But I'm going to take you guys along with me, and excited about this one. I like to try to cook outside the box a little bit, and this is definitely outside the box. So it's going to be fun. I'm excited about it. But it's a little windy today, so if the audio is bad, I apologize now. You might hear a little bit of wind and some goat in the background, and I believe my neighbor across the way, he's building a shop over there, so might get the occasional skill saw going. But hopefully it don't turn out too bad. But let's go ahead and get started and get these pineapples cut up and cored, and we'll go from there. I don't think it's going to be that difficult of a cook. Honestly, I think coring the pineapples is probably going to be the most difficult part. So let's go ahead and get in it and get this started, and we'll see how it goes. Come on. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Let's get some gloves on. I'm sure this is going to be quite juicy. Quite juicy indeed. Well, one down, one to go. That wasn't too bad. A little tedious. I definitely could use a little practice on coring pineapples. I know they actually sell something to do that with. That might be worth the investment. But let's go ahead and get the other one done and get it ready. And we'll go ahead and talk about a couple of things that's been going on. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you guys that has subscribed to me and watched my videos. We have officially went over 100 subs so far, which is awesome. I think I'm at 104 right now. In 6 weeks, I just put out Tuesday on Talk About It Tuesday, my 20th video. 20 videos in 6 weeks. That's quite a bit. Most of them are pretty decent lengths, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I've learned a lot in these last 6 weeks about video editing and photography, and trying to make my videos a little better every single time. I hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all stick around. Got a lot of new exciting things coming up on the homestead that I'm happy about. We've added quite a few animals here in the last couple of weeks and got plenty more coming. I've been working on that predator-proof chicken coop, and that part 2 of that video will be coming out probably this weekend. It's quite a bit of content on there. It's going to be a pretty long video, probably about 30 minutes, but a lot of good stuff. And I hope y'all enjoy it and can take something from it. But it's been a real fun project, and I'm real excited about getting it done so I can bring all the chickens and roosters and stuff to the homestead. I've gotten 2 so far, and I got more coming here real soon. Hopefully I can get a little better at this coring on this one. But it's not too bad, just takes a little time. I think it's going to be worth the effort though whenever it's all said and done. I think this is going to turn out pretty good. That pork should be real juicy cooking inside this pineapple. And with that apple wood, whew, boy, that apple smoke is going to be amazing. Well, look at there. That's the best one I've done so far. Here, let's try it. That is sweet. That is sweet. Look at there, we already making progress, boy. I might be a professional corer by the time this is over with. Come on. Probably not, but hey, we're making progress. We're making progress. I love pineapple. I don't know about you guys, but pineapple is just one of those very refreshing fruits. Oh, we're getting close now. Keep on slow. Oh yeah, look at that. We're getting big chunks out this time. Oh yeah. Getting better. It's all about improving. Just like I'm trying to do on my videos for you guys. I try to get a little better every week. It's a lot to learn. There's a lot to this old YouTube business, which I knew going into it. I did a lot of research before I decided to start this channel, and I knew it was a lot of work. A lot of people think that, you know, you just put a video up and that's all there is to it, but it takes a lot longer to do everything when you're filming, whether it be cooking or building projects. But I love it. I enjoy the creativity of it all, and I also love the grind. And I enjoy teaching you guys things and learning from y'all. So I have no plan on stopping, and I'm going to keep on making videos, and hopefully you guys keep on watching and sharing my content and helping this channel grow. And like I was saying in my introduction video, if you haven't watched that, make sure you go back and take a look at that. It kind of tells what I'm about and why I started all of this. But one of the things I want to do, if this channel ever does get to a point to get monetized and actually make some money, I'd like to donate 10% of everything that this channel makes to the local FFA and 4-H programs and stuff, and really any program that'll get kids outside and get them to enjoy nature. I feel like our kids really kind of need to get back to that. We've lost a lot of that, and it shows for sure. So hopefully we can get there, and hopefully we can make that happen. And that all starts with y'all subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. So I definitely appreciate it. You know, to be at 104 in 6 weeks, that's quite a bit faster than what I thought I was going to get there. So it's a good start, and I'm happy about it, and it's all because of you guys. So I really appreciate it. But let's go ahead and get this finished carved up, and then we'll get the grill started, and then we'll go ahead and talk about how long we're going to actually cook the pork and what's going to go along with it. So let's go ahead and get this carved up. We're getting close now. Alright, now that we got the pineapples cored and skinned up, I actually forgot a step before we put them on the grill. We're going to go ahead and cut this pork loin here in half and get it stuffed inside there. This one happens to already be seasoned with applewood bacon, so we don't really have to do no seasoning. We're just going to stick it in there like that. Look at that. Perfect fit. I don't know if I can get that lucky again. Come on. But we're going to put the top on it like that, and then I got some skewers that I'm going to use. We'll just stick them on. I think this is going to be a pretty cool little recipe. What do you think, guys? Leave in the comments if you've ever done anything like this before with a pineapple. First round for me. I'm pretty excited about it. Somehow I think it's not going to be my last time I try cooking different things inside of a pineapple. It's definitely a little different, but I think it's going to work out pretty good. Tear the tag off. There you go, guys. Look at that. That's pretty cool right there. That is pretty cool. I think I'm going to enjoy this quite a bit. Let's go ahead and take the cap off of it. Bite down. Show y'all guys the inside. Look at that. top on it. You know, one thing about it, guys, is just because you want to try new things and get creative doesn't mean it's got to be difficult. This right here is actually pretty easy. Pretty easy so far, that's for sure. We'll see if we run into any more problems. I don't think we will. At this point, it's all over with but the frying. Come on. Alright, the sun's going down fast. It's been about an hour. Let's check on these pineapples and see what we're working with. Oh yeah, we're getting there. We are getting there. I need to go ahead and get a thermometer probe in there and see what that pork inside is looking like. Oh, that's going to be good. Well, it's cooking pretty good, guys. It's been about an hour. I think we got at least one more hour to go. I can't get my thermometer to work right now, so just gonna have to do it by look. I figure about one more hour, 2 hours for a total cook should go ahead and do the trick. But it's looking good. I think it's going to turn out real good. But we'll take a look at it in about another hour and give it a try and see what she tastes like. Come on. I don't know about you guys, but I sure don't like the time change. I wish they'd get rid of it. It's already getting dark. It's been about 2 hours. I'm about to go ahead and put this squash on. Let's go ahead and see what the grill's looking like. I apologize for the lighting. I don't have very good lighting out here, but we might make it. Oh yeah, we're getting close. We're getting close. Looks like the cap's about to come off there. Let's see what we got here. I found another thermometer. We need to get the pork at least to about 145. Oh yeah, we're right there. It's at 150. Well, as you can see, guys, it's already gotten dark on me out here, and it's only about 6 o'clock. So let's go ahead and get a knife and cut into this and see what it tastes like. Alright guys, let's give it a try. Oh my god. That is juicy. I wish you guys could taste this. Definitely has that pineapple flavor, and that pork is just as tender and juicy as can be. Well, my guests are running late. It's already dark out here. But it sure was good, tender and juicy. I'll definitely be cooking this again. Very easy recipe. It ended up taking about 2.5 hours at about 350 on the grill. Very easy though. Basically you just season your pork loin however you want. Core out the pineapple and go ahead and put it on the grill with some apple smoke for about 2.5 hours. Pretty much set it and forget it. Pretty easy. But I'd like to thank you guys for joining me for another Fired Up Friday. And I can't wait to do the next one. So until we see each other again, come on, let's go homesteading.